What's up, guys? To part 6 of the Road to Bill's Grinderscape runes. Alright, guys. Last time we were killing goblins for Slayer task, and what were we doing? Yeah, we were killing a Slayer task. Yeah, 25 more to come, or 25 more to kill. And Slayer's pretty good. We could train at the same time and make some money. That's what I should have done earlier. Alright, so how many we got so far? They died pretty fast. This shouldn't be too bad. Let's see here. Alright, come on. Alright. Let's go. Alright, let's see. How many more left? 16 more left. I had Slayer. This is not too bad. I had Slayer tasks that take freaking forever. And sometimes I don't even know where to find the freaking. Where the little shits are. Sometimes it takes forever because I stand there like I spawn just completely acting like a noob, asking people where so and so are. I think I did it last video actually, but it turns out like the guy said that they were in the server, but he could be wrong. So let's kill him. Alright. Come on. How many more left? 6 more. Alright, 5 more. Attack him. Him. Three more goblins. You got another punk here. Just trying to steal my goblin kills. One more goblin. Yeah. There we go. I did not have a Slayer test. Ooh, we got 4 mil. That was pretty easy. Pretty easy 4 mil. So, do we... I don't think we... So, let's put that in. 7 mil. Alright, we'll talk to him again. Get another Slayer task. Yes, I would like a Slayer task. Black Demons. I don't know what those are. So I'll ask for another one. Your task. Hill Giants. Oh my god, I freaking hate this task so much. Because let me tell you something. Every single person just stands right here trying to get a Hill Giant kill. And it takes freaking forever. Look, how many do I have to kill? 22? At least there's not that many people here, but let me tell you guys. There's everyone trying to freaking kill these things. No, I just want the bones. Buried the bones. Alright, guy. You stay on your side, I stay on my side. See, and they take forever to spawn. Alright, come on. It's gonna take forever. I'm trying to steal his kill. Oh, I stole his kill. Alright, guy. But I'm doing ice staking. I had to do. I'm on a YouTube video and I have to hurry up this Slayer task. So, I'm sorry. Take the big bones. Also need the prayer. It's my bad. I think he's AFK. He might not be, but we'll just use that as an excuse. He's AFK. See, look, he's not even doing anything. He's AFK, and it's official. It's official. On Obsidian Cape. Well, I think that'll help our hits. I'm pretty sure. God, we look like such a noob. Look at our gear. Oh my god. We look like a noob. See, we look even more like a noob than this guy right here. See, look, he's not even attacking them. He's AFK. Let's drink this so we can kill him faster. Boom, 21. Jeez, we 2-hit him. Oh my god. That message, text message scared the crap out of me. I'll get some big bones. Oh, sorry guys, I was text message. I was sending a text. Alright, how many more do we have to go? 15. Oh, the Ceradon page. I'm pretty sure that's not worth anything. But we'll get that. That looks pretty cool. Imp in the box. Oh my god, one time I got trolled so hard. Because I asked the person I was a noob in the first server. When I first started playing, I asked them, oh, I got an imp in a box. Is it worth anything? And he's like, the guy was like, WTF, what the fuck? Like, it's like a super rare drop. You could get rares from them or something. That you have to, like, talk to Frank or something. You gotta use it on Frank. And I got so happy. I was like, oh my god, no way. But he trolled the shit out of me. And I was there literally for like 15 minutes clicking on him. I got so frustrated. But then I figured out that it was just a troll. So, I felt kind of dumb. But okay, it's all behind me now. It's all behind me. Let's get these big bones. I'm gonna practice some big bones while I read this message. Whoa. This friend that just texted me said that she's writing a book about an assassin. Well, okay then. I don't think you guys even care, but whatever. Let's see. Oh, 84 attack. I mean, strength. Man, it's taking forever to raise the combat stats. It's just way too long. You know what? We're gonna use a little run deck. Like, you want to tussle? I act like a thug. Look, I even look like a thug. It's like, look at that. You want to tussle? You want to tussle, fool? Look at that. Be like, bet. Want to stab him. Bet. Ah. Bet. Just stab the shit out of him. Be like, bah. Huh. Ah. I bet. Then pull out this shit and be like, bitch. Better some big bones. Some big bones. Be like, bitch. And then we put on a Terminator gear. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. How many do we even have left? 7 more hill giants. Hopefully this video doesn't get... Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go. On another obsidian cave. I'm pretty sure they're not worth anything. So, I'll just let that there. The only reason we got this obsidian cave, because I'm pretty sure it gives like a strength bonus or something. Ooh! A rock tail. What in the world? Now that's weird. That's pretty weird. Alright, let's give big bones. Oh, eat a rock tail. Our HP's 91. Oh, it's 85. Alright. Come on, let's just kill these hill giants already so we can get our money. Like I said, guys, I probably tell you this like every episode, but I really appreciate the guys. I appreciate everyone that's supported, and I'm really just like throwing these videos after videos. I'm just filling my channel full of videos so you guys have a little something to watch. So I'm gonna change the video schedule so you guys probably work with that. I would say at least 1 video a day, pretty much. And that's maybe multiple videos a day. Maybe multiple videos a day might be pretty consistent. Oh, come on. Get out of here, you faggot. We have 3 more to kill. This douchebag. Look at this douchebag. And we're having such a good session. Oh, come on. There we go. Just stay on your side. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I just got a little mad there. Just stay in your side and everything will be good. Come on. Hopefully we can kill. Alright, come on. Oh my god. We got 1 more minute. And we have 2 more to kill. Hopefully we can kill it within 2 minutes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 30 seconds. Come on. Oh, we had 30 seconds. Come on. Oh, guys. Oh, my God. 1 more. Oh, guys. I'm gonna have to end the video here before it goes over 15 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, peace.